Today, we're breaking down why your Land Rover or Range Rover Smart Key might suddenly stop working and what you can do about it. When you see a message like Smart Key Deactivated or Key Not Recognized, it can feel alarming, but it isn't always a fault. In many modern JLR vehicles, this message is a built-in security feature. Jaguar Land Rover vehicles built from around 2 onwards are programmed to deactivate a smart key automatically if it's left inside the cabin when the car is locked from outside. Imagine you have 2 keys. One is left inside the glove box or under a seat, and you lock the car with the other. When you come back, the key that stayed inside won't start the engine. That's intentional. It prevents a thief from smashing a window, grabbing the spare key, and driving off. This is part of Jaguar and Land Rover's anti-theft strategy. The Vehicle Security Module, often called the KVM or RFA, controls key authorization. If the system thinks a key might be compromised, it removes its ability to start the car. If you have a working spare key, here's how to re-enable the deactivated one. Unlock the vehicle using your working key. Remove the deactivated key from inside. Lock the car again with the working key. Unlock and start normally. In most cases, this simple sequence restores full functionality. If you own only one smart key and it's been deactivated, the vehicle can't reauthorize it on its own without the second key present. That's when professional intervention is needed, especially if you're stuck without a spare. AJ Auto JLR Key Specialist has dedicated tools and expertise to handle cases like this, from reprogramming keys to full module reauthorization, right at your location. Don't let a deactivated key leave you stranded. We can help. For expert help with smart key deactivation, spare key replacement, or all keys lost situations, contact AJ Auto JLR Key Specialist today. Visit ajkeyreplacement.com or message our team on WhatsApp for fast professional support.